Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Mel B turns heads at London Fashion Week and the latest update on the Spice Girls reunion drama. Mel B, also known as Scary Spice, absolutely on the runway at the Natasha Zinco show during London Fashion Week. The 50-year-old Spice Girl showed she still major star power as she strutted down the catwalk at 26 Leake Street on Friday. Wearing a bold statement look, Mel B rocked a stylish coat, but as she reached the end of the runway, she surprised everyone by pulling it open to reveal a daring leopard print plunging bra underneath. She even cheekily stuck her tongue out, giving fans that classy Scary Spice attitude we all know and love. She paired the eye-catching look with light blue fluffy studded stilettos and completed the outfit with a chunky pearl necklace that spelled out the word lucky. And honestly, she looked confident, fierce, and completely in her element. Supporting her from the sidelines was her daughter, Phoenix Brown, who looked equally stylish in a tartan skirt and navy satin cami top. After the show, Mel B returned to the runway alongside designer Natasha Zinco, and the pair posed for selfies backstage, clearly enjoying the big fashion moment. But while Mel B was shining on the runway, there's been some not so glamorous news surrounding the Spice Girls. Reports recently claimed that plans for a big Spice Girls reunion to celebrate the band's 30th anniversary have been axed. Victoria Beckham, Emma Bunton, Mel B, Mel C, and Gary Halliwell Horner were reportedly in talks for a special Netflix project marking 3 decades since their iconic debut single "Wannabe" dropped back in 1996. However, insiders say tensions between some of the members, particularly between Mel B and Gary Halliwell Horner, may have complicated things. It's been reported that Gary is still unsure about signing on and that hesitation may have slowed down the project. Fans also noticed some recent absence. Mel B didn't attend Emma Bunton's 50th birthday party last month while Victoria, Gary and Mel C were there. Meanwhile, Mel B also missed a recent reunion at Victoria Beckham's London home. But it was later revealed she was actually on her honeymoon in Mauritius with husband Rory at the time. Sources claim the long-rumored documentary and scripted project were being developed, but the streaming platform has not officially confirmed anything yet. While it doesn't mean a reunion will never happen, it seems plans for 30th anniversary celebration may not move forward right now. Interestingly, though, Victoria Beckham recently surprised fans by joining the Spice Girls for a fun sing-along at her London home. 30 years after the group first formed, so maybe there's still a hope. So what do you think? Will the Spice Girls reunite one day, or is this the end of the road for the iconic girl group? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more celebrity news. Thanks for watching.